Hey everyone, I'm Katrina, RealScout's member support coach and alert migration coordinator. And today I'm going to show you 3 different alert types that can transform your client nurturing strategy. You'll learn exactly when to use each type and how to set them up in just a few clicks. RealScout offers 3 powerful alert types that keep you connected with your database. Listing alerts for active buyers, market activity alerts to showcase neighborhood intelligence and expertise, and home value alerts for homeowners and future sellers. Let's explore how to use each one. Listing alerts are your go-to for active buyers. They automatically send matching properties based on your client's criteria with natural language. You can use them for past clients who might be ready to move, active buyers, and leads in specific neighborhoods or farms. We suggest creating templates for common alerts you find yourself using more frequently. You can set the frequency for daily for more serious buyers or weekly for long-term nurture. Let me show you how to set one up. You can create a search by heading over to the search icon on the left or under listing alerts. Once you reach the main search page, you can input your filters that are desired. If for any reason there's a filter that you're not able to see on the main search page, it would be listed here at the bottom under Add Remove. To save to client, you'll go ahead and select here. If you wanted to save as a template because you were going to use more than once, you can save here as well. Market activity alerts can showcase your neighborhood expertise and reveal buyer demand and can be used for seller leads to stay connected to homeowners or for your sphere of influence in specific neighborhoods or farms. These alerts have a unique buyer demand report that includes a heat map of buyer activity, top viewed listings, recently sold and recently listed properties in the area. You can create a market activity alert straight from your dashboard or by heading over to the left-hand navigation and selecting Create Alert under Market Activity Alerts. Once you're on the Market Alert page, you can input a specific area of interest or draw a location. When drawing a custom shape, you are able to set up a custom name for this. All right, and here's a snapshot of the activity. You can save it to a client, add the schedule, or save it as a template if you are going to use it more than once. Home value alerts are your secret weapon for generating listing opportunities. These are perfect for past clients who are homeowners, seller leads who aren't quite ready to list, and anyone else in your sphere interested in staying up to date with their home value. RealScout Home Value Alert includes current home values, local market trends, recently sold comparables, and unique clear calls to action to encourage engagement. Here's how to set one up. On your left navigation bar under alerts, you can select Home Value Alert Dashboard, which will have the icon, or create new alert, which will take you straight to the page. You'll want to select your client and add the address needed. You can create a home value alert with your custom settings or add your own information under Customize and Preview. Once you've updated everything you'd like, you just select Save and Complete, and your home value alert is created. The best part is everything's branded to you, from the home valuation requests for your sellers to the information shared with your buyers, such as telling what they're interested in or a showing request. That's it. 3 powerful alert types to keep you connected with every client in your database. Remember, listing alerts for active buyers, market activity alerts for neighborhood expertise and intelligence, and home value alerts for homeowners and potential sellers. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always reach out to our support team, and we're here to help. Thanks.